Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Dominique. Before we get into this video, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell button so you can be notified when I post a new video. So as you can tell by the title, we are trying perm rods. This is my first time doing perm rods and I'm low-key nervous. I'm actually doing a twist and curl. I was gonna just do regular perm rods, but I'm not gonna set myself up for failure. So I'm gonna actually do like a 2-strand twist and then add the perm rod to the end, which I think is better for me anyway, because I usually stretch out my ends, my roots anyway. So I feel like having the twist, then the perm rod kind of already gives me the stretched out look, maybe, hopefully, I don't know. One pack is already open, but I got all these packs just in case I run out. These Frizz Patrol, I love Aunt Jackie's. I stand by Aunt Jackie, especially the Grape Sea style collection. My favorite collection ever. Okay guys, so I decided to do a voiceover because I wasn't really explaining what I was doing. So with the parts, I really kind of just grabbed some hair, and if it felt good, then I just went with it. Like, it wasn't a lot of hair, but it wasn't a little. Like, it was medium small kind of. But as you can see, I'm adding the mousse to my hair. I'm adding a generous amount, and I'm gonna have to do a wash and go one day with this mousse because it was defining my curls really nicely. So all I'm literally doing is just 2-strand and twist my hair. I just split it into 2 and started twisting. But the key to this perm rod set that I noticed is that you need the ends to be smooth. As you can see, I'm smoothing the ends. So the twist is kind of like stretching out your hair. I feel like I like doing a twist, or you could do a braid. It kind of just helps you, because I feel like doing just a regular perm rod set is difficult. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out one day. But anyways, so I made sure that the ends were really smooth because that's what's going to give you the curl of the perm rod. So I'm just doing it again. I'm twisting the roots, and then I'm going to be combing, smoothing, rolling. Comb, smooth, roll. That is the goal. That's the tip. I'm really surprised how good this perm rod set came out. Y'all gonna see in a few seconds. I really suggest using a mousse as well. I don't know if people use like gels or creams with this, but I think the mousse is the perfect like product for this style because my hair dried fast and my hair ended up being really fluffy. And my hair is like not crunchy, but it still has a hold to it, so I already know it's gonna last me a few days, and I can't wait to see how it looks the next few days because it's just gonna get bigger, fluffier, and cuter. So taking it out is no method really. I just unraveled the perm rods. I didn't even add a oil or anything to my fingertips. I usually do, but I didn't. I don't really feel like I needed to because my hair was moisturized and soft anyway. But you can do that if you want to, if you want to like not have frizzy hair. But I don't mind frizz, and I don't even think my hair ended up being frizzy because the mousse is Frizz Patrol, that's what it's called. So, but I don't really think I had frizz. Well, I think I created frizz from blow drying my hair, but yeah, I don't mind frizz. So separating the actual curl, I split it into like the 2 twists, like the parts that was already made, because when you twisted the roots it created like a part already, and then I split it those 2 into 4, I think, or kind of where it just wants to part at. And that never made sense to me until I actually did it, but you'll see like when you're separating the curls, it'll be parts that wants to already separate. That's where you want to separate, because if you're trying to separate a curl that don't want to be separated, that's when it's going to be more frizzy. But if you don't mind frizz like me, then go for it, but just try to part where it wants to be parted. So the key to any natural hairstyle is to stretch them roots. I do this to any hairstyle. It just gives you the shape. You can leave it the way you want to leave it or how it is, but to me, I personally don't like it, but I like the stretch out look. It helps me give me the shape that I need. And try to just make sure you're just doing the roots, don't mind my face, and not the curls, just the roots. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm rushing. I would probably do a little bit more to it, but I gotta go. The curls came out cute. I think as the days go on, it's gonna look even better. I'm really surprised how it turned out. I also put this like clip just to keep this side, you know, to the side. It's kind of giving the Easter Sunday look, but I think it's cute. It's really cute. Like I'm really surprised how cute. Like I always wanted to do these, and I always thought like with my hair type I couldn't do it, but anything is possible. And this is my first time, but I'm gonna leave it alone. I gotta go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the bell button so we don't find me post a new video. Find me on all my social media accounts. It's all content by Dom. Find me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all of that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.